Now we turn to how these slides are built. One quick map, so you always know where you are on any topic. Every core operation ahead follows the same 5 steps in the same order. Once you know this ladder, you always know where you are. Step 1 is the concept. We show an animated memory picture of the operation. Watch which pointer or index moves and watch the colors. Step 2 is pseudocode. It is CLRS style and 0 indexed. We add it only when the operation is a real algorithm, so it shows the plain idea with no language details. Step 3 is the C code, a short, runnable piece from our code folder. This is how the idea sits in real memory. Step 4 is the run and its output. This is the proof that the program really does what we claimed. Step 5 is cost, common bugs in labs. We give the cost with a reason, we show real C mistakes, and we give you exercises. One more thing, the colors are fixed everywhere. Green means new or found. Amber means current, the thing in progress. Red means deleted or an error. Blue means the focus or a pointer. Gray means unused.